You spend millions on AI, but I'm here to tell you it's about to fail. The reason is simple. Even the most intelligent software in the world is useless unless your people know how to use it. The ROI from your AI investment isn't unlocked when you flip a switch. It's unlocked person by person, task by task, click by click. The last mile of adoption, that's where the entire revolution either happens or crumbles. At Whatfix, we live in that last mile. We userize technology to adapt to your context and intent.
So, how do we solve this challenge? We built a new kind of intelligence. At the heart of our platform is ScreenSense, our proprietary AI technology that powers every single one of our products. ScreenSense understands your context within an application and perceives your intent as a user in real time. It doesn't just wait for a command. It anticipates your next move, empowering you with the exact guidance you need for both enterprise software and other AI tools. This isn't about software that simply pushes information. It's about a technology that feels effortless and personal because it's already providing you with the right solution, whether it's in-app guidance, a simple nudge, or a timely enterprise search result.
But that's only the beginning. ScreenSense has laid the foundation for something truly powerful, our AI agents. They are designed to respond to real-world challenges. Our authoring agent accelerates content creation. Our insights agent uncovers key trends instantly. And our guidance agent anticipates user needs and delivers instant inflow help, removing friction before it even appears. The days of struggling in complex systems are over because now proactive guidance, powerful insights, and intelligent automation empower your teams to succeed, unlocking productivity, efficiency, and real measurable outcomes.
You see, this isn't about solving an adoption problem. This is about solving human problem. This is about enabling you to succeed in an environment where technology is changing faster than people can. The future of digital adoption isn't coming. It has arrived. The only question is, are you ready?